What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to teach all my beginners a great morning routine you can do every single day to get healthier hair and make your waves pop out and look elite. So this is a morning routine for beginners, elite, and flawless. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright y'all, so for this morning routine, you'll need a mirror. You need oils. I use castor oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. You'll need a 2-6 King Wavy moisturizer. Butter moisturizer. And last but not least, you'll need a soft brush. Notice I'm not using any pomade in this morning routine. I use pomade if I'm going out and I'm not wearing my do-rag and I want my hair to, pop out and shine. I use my 2-6 King Wavy pomade. It smells amazing and it adds great shine to my hair and holds my waves down in place. As of right now, I am not going to apply pomade because I'm basically staying home and I'm not really going anywhere. But if you are going somewhere, you can definitely add pomade to your hair with this morning method. And the reason why I say you will need a soft brush and only a soft brush, because I do not want you to lift your hair up. If you use any other brush that's not soft, you will lift your hair up, and that's not what we want in our morning method. We want our hair to be laid. And another brush I forgot to mention is my crown brush by 360 Merch. You guys can get this crown brush at 360merch.org. I have that linked in my description, and you guys can also use my discount code to get some money off. I have all of that linked in the description, so feel free to scroll down in the description, look at the links to the products that I'm using, and the discount codes right underneath them. So without further ado, let's get started with this morning routine. First, you'll need to apply your moisturizer by 2-6 King Wavy. 2-6, I am running out, man. Help me out, bro. I am going 540s, well not 540s, but I am going 360 swirl, so I'm going in a different pattern than all my beehivers are going. So you want to pick up your brush and your mirror and just brush that in. Alright, now that you're done with that, you want to take your oil and you want to apply just a little bit. I want you guys to know this isn't your main brush session. This is just your morning routine. Your main brush session could be in the afternoon. Alright, that's when you really go in and try to progress with the medium brush and your hard brush and everything. That's when you're trying to get some progress in. This should take about 15-20 minutes. Your main brush session should take about 30-45 minutes. But this is just a morning routine. It's really quick and easy. After you apply your oil, take your soft brush and you go in again to brush that in. Alright, y'all, that is it. Now all you have to do is throw on your do-rag. Alright, you guys, that is it for this morning routine. All my beginners, take notes. Try this morning routine out every single day. And also, when you apply products every day, you have to wash your hair twice a week. Just like how when you eat every day, you know, you have to eat every day for your body to work. You have to moisturize your hair every day for your hair to look good and do what it has to do and provide nutrients to the rest of the hair follicles. And also, just like how you use the bathroom, number 2, to get rid of all the waste, that's the same way you have to wash out your hair to get rid of all the waste, because the nutrients already been taken out of them and now they become waste. So that's why you gotta wash your hair twice a week after you apply products every single day. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you guys want to know what video to watch next, it's gonna be up here. Click it, watch it, take notes, and watch the full video. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.